Character swinging tutorial in Alight motion. You can watch this tutorial if you're a beginner. At first, go to Media, then import the images of the swing seat and chain or rope. You can download 5 types of swings from the link in description. They're completely free, but please credit me if you're using them. Now rename the layers. I have magically renamed all the layers. Tap and hold the chain layers and add them in a group. Set the pivot point at the top center for the front chain. And make the second group. One will stay at the front and one at the back. You can set the pivot point anywhere for the second chain. For the next part, you can either use grouping or parenting. You can choose to group all the layers or parent them. Select the seat layer, tap on Layer Parent button, and select the chain layer as its parent. Do the same for the back chain as well. Now if you rotate the chain, all the parts will move along with it. Import the character and convert it to a group. I'll recommend you to turn off the head layer of the character as it decreases the lag. Place the character on the seat. Make sure the character's butt is on it. Tap on the character group, then on Edit Group to get inside the group. Go to Move and Transform, rotate to pose the character in a sitting position. You can just pose the legs for now. We can leave the hands, body and head for later. As you can see, the character isn't moving when we move the chain. So, tap on the Layer Parent button again and select the seat layer. Now the character is actually sitting on the swing seat. You don't have to do all this if you're using a group. You can just group everything and move the whole group. Go to Effects and add an effect called Swing. To decrease the frequency of that effect, I prefer setting it to 0.75 Hz. I'll be looping the animation, so stretch and trim the layer up to when the swing comes to its first point. Bookmark the places where the swing is at the highest by tapping on the timeline. Now pose the character. Since the swing is at the center and not high up, rotate the lower legs to around 20 degrees. Add keyframes to both the start and the end to loop it. In the first bookmark, if the character goes behind, then rotate the leg back as well. Go to the next bookmark and rotate the leg to be straightened out. Get rid of any layers that may bother you. It does look quite good in the preview, but not the best. Go to the middle of the two bookmarks and bend it even more. You can also slightly straighten the leg in the middle of the second bookmark and the end. If you tap and hold on the playback button, you get the repeat playback button. Special thanks to Lazyhead for telling me, "Save my life!" Copy the same motion for the other leg. After you're done rotating the lower legs, correct it using location. Now you can animate the thighs, legs as well. You can rotate them almost the same way as you did with lower legs, just keep the rotation minimum. Now pose the hands. We'll make the hands look like as if it is holding the chains for their dear life. Do not animate the hands yet. After posing, move the body. If the leg bends, the body bends. If the leg straightens, the body straightens. If the swing goes up, the hair goes at the opposite direction because of the delay effect. You can animate the rest however you want.